Subject: Ichigo Kurosaki. Classification: the best of the big three. Height: 5'11". Identifiers: orange hair, white hollow mask, red markings, feral aura. Movement patterns: savage. Noticeable tendencies: aggression overrides restraint. Aura farming: instincts dominate decision-making. Attacks escalate uncontrollably. Containment: failed. Risk level: berserk. Final advisory:
Think I won't drop the location, I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big three, nigga, it's just big me, nigga.